Hello friends, so in our last video we have seen that how we can configure general setting in purchase module. So in this video we will see that how we can configure the basic settings of inventory module. So here we are in the setting menu, and under the settings we have the inventory option available here. So now first of all we have the operations related stuff, and here we have the packages. So if you want your product to be packed, you can use this packages, and if you want to transfer your items in a batches, so you can select this batch transfer. And if you want to have some warnings on partners, so you can select it here. And here we have picking policy. If you want to manage the quality, I mean if you have the quality department and for each of the item you want to manage the quality, so you can select this quality option. It will basically add the quality app in your Odoo. Then we have annual inventory day and month, so we can define the annual date. Now we have if you want to have the reception report, we can select it here. And if you are using the barcode scanner, so you can configure the barcode related stuff from here. Then we have shipping related stuff, so if you want to have automatic email confirmation, so you can select it here. Then we have delivery methods, and here we have some shipping connectors. So if you have purchased these connectors, then you will be able to see those options in your Odoo configuration. So we have product related configuration, where we have variants, product packagings, and unit of measures. Now we have some traceability. So this is very important column. So if you want to manage your lots and serials for your products, so you can select it from here. And if you want to manage expiry date for the lots, so you can select it here. Then, for example, if you want to show the lots and serial on your delivery slips, so you can select this option. And here we have the consignment option, where the owner is different and the person who has the inventory physically the different person. So we can use this consignment option for the consignment sales. We will definitely see those options in details when we will have a proper walkthrough in our next videos. Then we have valuation related configuration, like if you want to manage the landed cost in Odoo. So in Odoo we have very robust landed cost option, so we can use the landed cost. So again, we will see this in detail in our next videos, but for the configuration purposes, if you want to manage the landed cost of your item, so you can select the landed cost from here. Then we have display lot and serial on invoice. If you want to display your lots and serial on invoices, so you can select it here. Then we have warehouse related configuration. So this is very important. So here you can select that either you want to manage the storage locations, where you can track your product, that in which location you have how many quantities for the products. So for that purposes you can use storage locations. And if you want to manage some routes, that for example this product's first to be produced in warehouse A, I mean production warehouse A, then it should be moved to the warehouse, or it should go into any other store. So if you want to have some sort of a routes and you want to manage these routes automatically, so you can use this multi-step routes. Then we have storage categories, and again after that we have advanced scheduling option, where you can define lead time for the sales and lead time for the purchases. So once you have provided all these configuration, you will just save this record, so it will save all the configuration what you have configured as per your own requirement. So for more videos, stay tuned with us. Thank you.